Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here is part 3 of Subhadra ji drawing. In this part I am going to draw the jewelries of Subhadra ji. So let me guide you step by step. First take any mechanical pencil for jewelries because it needs details and small details should be covered with a sharpened pencil or with a mechanical pencil. So you should bang it, then go step by step through seeing my video, and you can see that it is a time-lapse video. So you can see how I am drawing and follow me like that. So any queries you can add comment, but the main thing is that you have to still do practice. There is not a short way that you can see only my video and draw through it. On with my videos you can only learn the techniques I'm using, or you can say it as because it is beautiful, but to improve you should practice daily with the many exercises like use overhand grip and learn to hold pencil for drawing, as our hand is um, as his hand is using your hands only for writing for a while. So to switch to drawing mode you have to first practice with your hands and to learn how to hold a pencil for drawing, like overhand grip and holding pencil from too close distance or from too far distance for making grades, drawing portrait or drawing any sketches so fast hold and for too long way. So you can use these techniques. Likewise you can also watch tutorials on how to draw an outline and how to make eyes, nose, lips, so that face should be clear to you, because without practicing this you can't achieve a good level of drawing. So first you need to practice all these, then you have to go to the further details. Likewise you can see that English not my first language, so many mistakes I'm doing, but you can understand by feeling, so I hope so. So first here you can see I'm making details one by one, and I will make it more, like I will apply more grade pencils on it, like 2B, 4B, 6B. Thank you for watching.